Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best USB-C docking station reviews. Product sell points: versatile compatibility, compatible with various devices, including SD and TF card readers, for seamless file transfers, USB-C hub to HDMI, USB-C hub HDMI, for HDMI output, delivers crisp 4K at 30 Hz visuals, perfect for high-resolution content creation and gaming.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.